When you need to create a Word document or a PowerPoint or an Excel document, Office 365 is a great place to go, because when you create a document using Office 365, it will get stored online in your OneDrive, which means anywhere you have internet access, you'll be able to access your document. So I'm going to demonstrate how to create a Word document in Office 365 and how to retrieve it after you've worked on it. So after you log in to Office 365, you'll be brought to this page. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the area that says OneDrive. You'll notice the icon for OneDrive is a cloud. It's because all of the documents that you create in Office 365 are stored in OneDrive, which is in a cloud location, meaning it's not stored on your tablet itself, but it's stored elsewhere. So we're going to click on OneDrive, and if you have created anything in OneDrive yet, you would see a list of documents here that have been created. We're going to create a new one. So in order to create a new document, we're going to come over to where it says New, and then we're going to choose the type of file we want to create. It might be a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, or if you want to organize your OneDrive into folders, perhaps by the subject areas such as English, Science, Social Studies, Math, Art, you could do that as well. In this example, we're going to create a brand new Word document. So I'm going to click on Word, and this is what's going to pop up. Is very similar to what you see on your desktop computer of Microsoft Word, except this is a Word Online. So we are working in an online interface. So we're going to begin by naming our document. If you come up to the top over here, anytime you create a new document in Office 365, it's not going to be given a name until you physically name it. So my suggestion is to name your document immediately. So if we click on the Word document, we can type in our title here, or whatever this type of document is going to be called. This is the first thing we're going to do. Once we have our title, we can bring our cursor down into the actual document and we can begin typing and adding content. You'll notice at the top you have all the same tabs that you would normally see in your regular Microsoft Word. If you needed additional tabs and you needed to do other things that you don't see here, you can open this in Microsoft Word, but it's usually not necessary. So down in the body of your Word document, you can add your content. And let's say you're in class and you're working on this document and the bell is rung, so it's time to leave. So what we're going to do is, normally we would go to File, Save As, and save our document. However, because we're working in Office 365 and we're online, our document continually is saved as we're typing, as long as we're connected to the internet. So you can see at the bottom of my document here, it says Saved. And as I add content to it, you'll see it changes from saved to saving. So I've just added content and it's automatically being saved. I do not hit the save button at any point. So how do I get out of this and how do I get back to my OneDrive to see if this document is there? If you come up to the upper left hand side when you're in your document, you'll find your name. Click on your name, and this is going to bring you back to OneDrive and bring you to your list of documents. So you can see here, here's the document that I was just working on. This is what I had called the document, and it also tells me when the last time it was that I worked on it. Now, let's say I come back tomorrow, or I'm at home and I want to work on this document again. I log into Office 365 and I go to my OneDrive and I click on the name of my document. The document loads, however, I'm clicking all over the screen and I don't have a cursor. And you notice I don't have all the tabs that I need in order to work on this document. In order to begin working on this document again, I need to come over to where it says Edit Document and then click Edit in Word Online. Now you can see I have all the tabs that I need, I have the formatting options that I have, and now I can start editing and adding more content to this particular document. And again, when I'm done, I click back over on my name and this will bring me back to OneDrive. To log out, and because I'm done with this for now, I'm going to click on my icon in the upper right hand corner and then I will see the Sign Out tab. So it's simple as that. OneDrive is going to store all the documents that you've created, and again, if you need to create a new one, you have this new button over here. Have fun!